If you've ever wondered how to get those fun, animated emoji suggestions to pop up as you're messaging friends on Telegram, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable animated emoji suggestions, so your chats stay lively, expressive, and up-to-date with every reaction possible. Let's dive in and make sure your Telegram is set up to handle all the coolest emoji options available right now. First things first, and I can't emphasize this enough. Make sure your Telegram app is updated to the very latest version. This might sound obvious, but new features, and especially improvements to suggestions and animations, often require the newest update. Head over to your device's App Store, whether that's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and check for any available updates for Telegram. If you see an update button, just tap it. Even if you think your app updates automatically, it definitely pays to check. Features like animated emoji suggestions are only available in recent versions, so you don't want to miss out over a simple, outdated app. Once your app is fresh, it's time to check the settings inside Telegram. This is where the magic happens. On Android, open the app and go to Settings, then tap into Chat Settings and scroll to Stickers and Emoji. For iOS users, you'll find what you need under Settings, then Stickers and Emoji, though on some versions you might see this under Appearance instead. Don't worry if you have to look around. Telegram sometimes reorganizes menus after big updates. The important thing is we get to that section where emoji and sticker options live. Here's the heart of the process. Look for a setting called something like Suggest by Emoji or Suggest Emoji Replacements. The exact language might vary a bit depending on your device or Telegram version, but the purpose is the same. With this enabled, Telegram pays attention when you type certain emoji shortcuts, like typing a colon in the word smile or selecting a basic smiley emoji. Instead of just sending a plain emoji, Telegram can now suggest custom animated options, bringing your chats to life with movement and flair. Go ahead and switch this setting on. If you ever think, why aren't any fun options showing up when I type? This toggle is almost always the reason. While you're here, there's another option that rounds out the suggestion experience. Suggest stickers GIFs. Even though these aren't strictly emojis, they fit into the same panel and give you more expressive choices. Enabling this means Telegram will suggest not just animated emojis, but also relevant stickers and even little reaction GIFs, depending on what you type. It's perfect for making your replies more dynamic and personal. One more thing to double-check, make sure large emoji, if you're on Android, or large emoji in chats on iOS, is also toggled on. This ensures that whenever you send an emoji by itself, it appears nice and big, often with that wonderful animation. Without this, solo emoji can appear small and, well, a little underwhelming. Think of it like turning the volume up on your reactions. If you've adjusted all these settings and you still aren't seeing suggestions, don't panic. Sometimes apps can get a bit stuck or forget recent changes. Simply force close Telegram, just swipe it away from your recent apps and then open it again. This often refreshes everything and applies the new settings. It's a bit like rebooting your computer when something acts odd. It usually clears things up right away. And that's it. Now, whenever you go to type an emoji, Telegram will serve up those animated, lively options, ready to brighten any conversation. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if something didn't quite work the way you expected, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new animated chats.